Yo, what's up everyone? It's Clack and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how hackers break into systems, find vulnerabilities, and seem to move like ninjas through the digital world? Yeah, me too. It's fascinating, a little scary, but mostly fascinating. What if I told you that in just 6 months, you could go from a complete beginner to an advanced ethical hacker, capable of bypassing security systems, exploiting real-world vulnerabilities, and securing high-paying jobs in cybersecurity? But here's the catch. Miss even one step in this journey, and you might get stuck for months, making mistakes that could have been avoided. So don't even think about skipping ahead, because every part of this roadmap is crucial. We're diving deep into the world of ethical hacking, and trust me, this isn't some surface-level stuff. This is about building a rock-solid foundation and then layering on the skills you need to be a pro. We're talking about the tools, the techniques, and the mindset that separates the script kiddies from the real players. In this video, you'll get the exact step-by-step roadmap to becoming an advanced ethical hacker in 6 months. We're breaking down what to learn each month, where to learn it, and the best tools for each phase. Plus, I'll give you the inside scoop on how to practice without burning yourself out, where to find awesome hacking communities, how to get certified, and ultimately, how to land a job as a professional hacker. Now let's get started. Alright, month 1 is all about building your foundation. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house on sand, right? Same goes for ethical hacking. You need a solid base. And that starts with Linux. Linux is the operating system of choice for most ethical hackers because it's powerful, flexible, and gives you granular control over your system. We're talking Kali Linux here, the go-to distro for security professionals. Get comfortable with the command line, learn your way around the file system. Basically, become best friends with the terminal. Next up, networking. You gotta understand how networks work. IP addresses, ports, protocols, the whole 9 yards. It's like learning the streets before you can drive. Tools like Wireshark and Nmap will be your best buddies here, allowing you to analyze network traffic and map out systems. Now let's talk code. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding wizard. But understanding the basics of programming, especially Python, is crucial. Python is super versatile and used in a ton of hacking tools. Plus, knowing how to code helps you understand how programs work, which is key for finding vulnerabilities. Finally, we're wrapping up month 1 with web basics. The web is a hacker's playground, so you gotta know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript like the back of your hand. Learn how websites are built, how they communicate with servers, and how data is sent back and forth. This knowledge will be super valuable as we move into more advanced web hacking techniques later on. Alright, month 2 is where things start to get really interesting. We're diving into the world of basic exploitation, where you'll learn how to find and exploit common vulnerabilities. Think of it like learning how to pick locks, except these locks are digital. We'll start with basic web hacking techniques. You'll learn about cross-site scripting, XSS, SQL injection, and other common web vulnerabilities. We'll be using tools like Burp Suite and SQL Map to find and exploit these weaknesses. Next up, we're bringing in the big guns, Metasploit. This powerful framework is a hacker's Swiss Army knife, packed with exploits for all sorts of vulnerabilities. You'll learn how to use Metasploit to gain access to vulnerable systems. No hacking journey would be complete without a little password cracking. We'll cover different password cracking techniques including brute forcing, dictionary attacks, and rainbow tables. Tools like Hashcat and John the Ripper will be your go-to for cracking those passwords. Remember, this is for ethical purposes only, to test the strength of your own systems. Throughout this month, we'll be practicing on intentionally vulnerable virtual machines. These are like safe sandboxes where you can experiment without breaking anything in the real world. It's like having your own hacking lab. Alright, we're moving into month 3 and things are about to get seriously advanced. We're talking about taking your web hacking skills to the next level and mastering network exploitation techniques. Think of it like going from picking locks to bypassing entire security systems. We'll dive deep into advanced XSS techniques, including how to bypass filters and craft stealthy payloads. You'll learn about GraphQL exploitation, a powerful attack vector targeting modern web applications. Then, we'll explore HTTP smuggling, a technique that allows attackers to bypass security controls by manipulating HTTP requests. We'll also cover man-in-the-middle MITM attacks, where you'll learn how to intercept and modify traffic between two parties. Tools like BetterCap and EvilJinx2 will be your trusted companions in this chapter. These tools will help you set up fake access points, intercept traffic, and perform advanced exploitation techniques. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We're learning these techniques for ethical purposes only, to identify and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. Chapter 4, Month 4, Wireless and Network Hacking, Conquering the Airwaves. Get ready to unleash your inner cyberpunk because month 4 is all about wireless and network hacking. We're talking about taking control of the airwaves, exploring the vulnerabilities of Wi-Fi networks, and diving deep into the world of Active Directory exploitation. First up, we're talking evil twin attacks. You'll learn how to set up fake Wi-Fi access points that look legit, allowing you to intercept traffic from unsuspecting users. Don't worry, we'll be doing this ethically, of course. Next, we're exploring the world of Bluetooth exploitation. You'll learn how to discover Bluetooth devices, pair with them, and even potentially gain access to sensitive information. We'll be using tools like SpoofTooth and BetterCap to pull off these attacks. Now let's talk about Windows and Active Directory exploitation. This is where things get really enterprise level. You'll learn how to exploit vulnerabilities in Windows operating systems and Active Directory, which is used by many organizations to manage users and computers. Tools like AirCrackAng and Responder will be your best friends in this chapter. AirCrackAng is a suite of tools for cracking Wi-Fi passwords, while Responder can be used to capture credentials and escalate privileges on a network. Chapter 5. Month 5. Advanced Post-Exploitation and Malware Development, the Stealthy Arts. Welcome to Month 5, where we delve into the shadows of advanced post-exploitation and malware development. This isn't about just getting through the front door, it's about maintaining access, moving silently, and understanding the tools of the trade, ethically of course. We'll start with fileless malware. This stuff is seriously stealthy, operating in memory and leaving a minimal footprint on disk, making it incredibly difficult to detect. You'll learn how it works, how to analyze it, and how to defend against it. Next up, we're diving into the world of Windows kernel exploits. This is deep-level stuff, folks. We're talking about vulnerabilities that exist within the core of the Windows operating system. You'll understand how these exploits work and how to mitigate them. Then we'll talk about Sysmin evasion. Sysmin, or System Monitor, is a powerful tool used for security auditing and threat detection. We'll explore techniques attackers use to evade Sysmin and cover how to strengthen your defenses. Tools like Mimikatz and Covenant C2 will be your companions in this chapter. Mimikatz is a post-exploitation tool used to extract plain text passwords, hash, pins, and Kerberos tickets from memory. Covenant C2 is a command and control framework that allows you to manage compromised systems. Chapter 6. Month 6. Red teaming, certifications and job hunting, putting it all together. Alright, month 6, it's time to put all your hard-earned skills to the test. This is where you transition from ethical hacker to cybersecurity professional. First up, red teaming. Think of this as the ultimate ethical hacking experience. You'll learn how to simulate real-world attacks, test an organization's defenses from all angles, and provide valuable insights to improve their security posture. Next, we'll talk about bug bounty hunting. This is where you can put your skills to work and get paid for finding vulnerabilities in real-world systems. We'll cover popular bug bounty platforms, how to report vulnerabilities responsibly, and how to maximize your earnings. CTF competitions are another great way to sharpen your skills and test your knowledge against other ethical hackers. We'll discuss different CTF formats, how to get involved, and how to build your own CTF team. Now let's talk certifications. Earning industry-recognized certifications like EJPT and OSCP can significantly boost your credibility and job prospects. These certifications validate your skills and demonstrate your commitment to the field. Finally, we'll wrap up with job hunting tips specifically for ethical hackers. We'll cover how to craft a killer resume, ace your technical interviews, and negotiate a top-paying salary. Outro, you're hired. Well, almost. Congratulations. If you follow this roadmap, you'll be an advanced ethical hacker in just 6 months, ready to take on bug bounty programs, red teaming jobs, or even start your own cybersecurity consulting. You've gone from zero to hero, understanding not just how to find vulnerabilities, but how to think like the people who exploit them. But remember, missing even one step in this process could slow you down or make you vulnerable to black hat hackers who know these techniques better than you. So don't just learn, master these skills. Practice constantly, stay curious, and never stop learning because the world of cybersecurity is always evolving. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ethical hacking content. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay ethical.